Okay guys, welcome back to the channel again. As you can see behind me, massive pile of soil that we've dug out for these footings. So yeah, this is the third day we've been on this now, so we're all dug out, and I'll take you around there and show you what we've been doing. Right, here we are. Look at them all. They're just standing there doing nothing. Look at them. Absolutely nothing. Trying to hide, Lou.
Look at Lou.
Trying to hide, Lou. Doing nothing. Right. Okay, here we are. 1.5 meters deep. We are actually underneath the existing footing there, so that's exactly what the inspector will want. Let me stand back a little bit so you can actually see the full scope of it. I'll just show you this. There you go. And over here, where we've got to underpin this, well, we don't actually have to underpin it. What we've got to do here is build a solid brick pier all the way up there to take, I think there's 3 steels going on that. So yeah, what we're going to do there, we're just going to fill that full of concrete. Solid engineers, class 1. That's what's going on there. And I'm pretty sure Mike said the other day I broke this pipe. Now I'm just going to put it right here. Don't look at me like that, you.
Yeah.
See that down there? That's Mike's digger job down there. Look.
Do you know what? After today, I'll take that I broke that pipe. And you
Hold on, I ain't finished. I ain't got to that. I ain't got to that bit yet. I ain't got to that bit yet. Oh, he ain't just broke a pipe. I'll show you what he's done. so yeah, we've got to do a little bit of drainage. Got to replace that pipe because someone's gone through it. That's got to be moved, so we're going to move that outside here, but we're going to wait till the concrete's done on that. So right, here's the we're going to reveal his little incident with the digger. It's a good job that's coming out, ain't it? Look at that.
Yeah, it's hazard tape.
Yes.
Look, what I'll do, right, is I'll put a photo up somewhere of what happened, and then we can show you that Sean did it, and then it was Steve helping out with it on the photo. I don't want to take any responsibility for it.
This is the last job he's going on a digger. Bloody liability. Right guys, if you've liked this video, give us a thumbs up, and the link's in the corner. Mike said I've got to do this, it's in one of the corners. So yeah. So cheers guys, thanks for watching.